Namaste. Last week we discussed about the importance of starting a habit small and doing it regularly. In the beginning, make the habit so easy that you cannot say no. Then go on making tiny improvements to the habit. Author James Clear advises us to make 1% improvement every day. Its result may not be seen noticeable one day, but over the period of time, it becomes a great improvement. If you get 1% better than the previous day over a period of 1 year, you will be 37 times better. Conversely, if you get 1% worse every day than the previous day for 1 year, you will be ending with 0. So, what starts as a small gain or small loss will end in great achievement or disaster. The impact created by a change in your habit is similar to the effect of shifting the route of an airplane just by a few degrees. You land in different destination. So, be aware of the effect of compound effect of your small habits. Good habits can build you up and bad habits can cut you down in the long run. It seems to make a very little difference on any given day, but the impact it makes over the long period is enormous. If you do exercise for a few days, you may still be out of shape. If you eat unhealthy food for a few days, you may not see any adverse effect. But if you repeat the act day after day for a long period, you will enjoy or suffer the consequences of your actions according to your choice. Imagine that you have an ice cube in a bowl and your room temperature is 25 degrees. Slowly increase the room temperature. When it is 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 degrees, nothing happens to the ice cube. When the room temperature is 32 degrees, the ice cube begins to melt. 1 degree shift entirely change the ice cube. Like that, breakthrough moments are often the result of the previous actions that built up. This is the pattern for many things in our life. Cancer spends 80% of its life undetectable. Then it takes over our body in few months. Some type of bamboo cannot be seen for the first 5 years, but it is building its roots extensively underground. Suddenly the bamboo tree grew nearly 90 feet within 6 weeks. So if you cannot see the uniform result, don't be disheartened. It is the way of nature. This is why many people find it hard to build good habits. They think, I am doing exercise nearly a month, but there is no significant change in my body. Then they quit. This is why many people are maintaining their bad habits also. They don't see immediate results for their bad activities. They think they are in control. That is why they keep on doing the things. So, don't lose enthusiasm if you don't see good results immediately. And even if you don't see the bad results for bad actions, don't go on do the thing carelessly. Because actually the results are accumulating without your awareness. So understand this great truth and keep it in your mind. No work or effort is ever wasted. Though the outward world sees the dramatic result on one day suddenly, it is actually the compound result of your actions taken on daily basis. Let us discuss about the second step to change next Wednesday. Till then, keep on practicing. Thank you.